Here I have OPPO A78 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to lock apps with fingerprint on this device. So firstly, what you will have to do is to add fingerprint. If you have no idea how you can add fingerprint, you go search for that video tutorial on our channel, check this out, then add fingerprint and come back here and follow my instructions. So when you have fingerprint added, you go to settings firstly, then what you'll have to do is to set up app lock. Okay, so you can go to app section and it will suggest you app lock here. Normally you can find it not in this section but in security, but this one is much faster. Okay, so you enable it here. First you will have to set up privacy password. Okay, so you can set up 6-digit PIN. You can also use different password type like 4 digits or 4 to 16, pattern or alphanumeric. I'm gonna use the simplest of pins, 4 digits. Here you can also have to enter answer the security question. Okay, no problem. Here you can select which apps you want to lock. So let's lock maybe contacts, Chrome. And as you can see, it immediately suggests you to use your fingerprint for these apps. So you tap use. And now you can unlock apps with fingerprint. But if you accidentally tapped cancel here and you don't know how you can use your fingerprint with app lock, you can set it up by going to passwords and security, then go to your fingerprint section and enable app lock here, just like this. So when you have this feature enabled, for example, let's open Facebook, and as you can see, it requires my fingerprint in order to open it. The same goes for what else I blocked, contacts. And so as you can see, in order to open these apps, I need to scan my fingerprint or just enter this privacy password. What else you should know, that this feature works this way, that unless you lock the screen, all these apps you have locked, they will be opened after you open them once. So as you can see, right now I opened Chrome, I closed it, and after I opened it once again, I mean, it's not locked anymore. But after I lock the screen, unlock it once again, all my locked apps will be locked again. That's how it works. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.